So today I'll be showing you how to keep your Samsung phone's screen awake when it's charging. So this will bypass the screen timer period and just keep the screen awake as long as it's connected to a charger and charging. So to enable that option, you have to go into developer options. So let's start with enabling developer options. So go to settings. This is the main settings page of your Samsung phone. Scroll all the way down to about phone, tap on that, and then scroll and tap on software information. And then under software information, you should see build number. Now you're going to tap on build number 7 times. And by the 7th time, it will ask you for your password or pattern. Once you give it, it's going to ask you if you want to allow development settings, and all you have to do is tap OK. And that's going to enable developer options. But to access developer options, you have to go back to the main settings page and then just give it a scroll. And there's going to be this new option called developer options right below or right at the end of the settings page. Now inside developer options, you should see this option called stay awake. Screen will never sleep while charging. So this is the option you want to go ahead and enable. So now with that enabled, as long as your phone is connected to a charger, the screen will never go to sleep, even if you have set your screen timer period. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.